In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can operate the voice recorder. Begin by launching Recorder app and tapping on Allow or while using in all pop-ups. Now to start recording, use red button at the bottom. Then hit Allow in another pop-up, and as you can see, recording is on. To pause it or unpause it, use middle button. To add a bookmark, click on this icon at the top right corner of this section. To listen to your recording right away, pause it, swipe it, and click on play button on the left. And to end it and save it, click on square one on the right. Then name it and hit save. Now to play it, click on it. To manage it, use all of those options or go back, hold it, and use all of those. To get rid of it, use delete at the bottom and confirm your choice in the pop-up. If you want to delete it from your bin, click at the top left corner, hit Recycle Bin, hold it, and tap on Delete All. Then confirm your choice here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!